Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to tell you how to download and install Badoo dating chat and meet application. So basically this is a dating app, and you can see top grossing in dating number 3. So if you search, and you will find this application in the top ranking, because this is really a popular dating application. And if you check the overall things, 100 million plus people downloaded this and 4.2 reviews. So what you need to do to get this application in your device, go to App Store and search Badoo, and go to Google Play Store if you use Android and search Badoo dating chat and meet app, and then simply tap here install. So it takes few time to install in your device. So okay friend, I hope this video is helpful for you. Please consider to subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching the videos.